Hold on, let me back up. This shit crazy, man. Watch how these birds dive. Boom. Bro, they like dive in the water trying to get the fish, bro. This shit crazy. My daughter's right there. My daughter's crazy too, man. They like, let me see how this water, how cold this water is. Oh, well, it's not that cold. It's not that cold. But I'm not getting in. I'm trying to get another clip of them, man. Oh, there, damn, I just missed that one. Watch how they torpedo in the water. Watch that shit. Oh! It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, about 7 of them right now. They're about to do it again. They're about to do it again, man. They trying to eat. It's amazing.